Hey Fox, hello and welcome to this YouTube channel. In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to install any Wi-Fi drivers in your Windows 11 PC or laptop. So without any further ado, let's begin. Firstly, you need to proceed at the start icon, make a right click, and then scroll up and click on this option called Device Manager. So here at the device manager, all you need to do is you need to proceed to the option called network adapters. So from here, click on this forward arrow key and you would be able to show or to see your Wi-Fi adapter. Okay? So here, you just have to select your Wi-Fi adapter and if in case you don't see your Wi-Fi adapter, don't worry. You just have to make a right click here and go with scan for hardware changes and eventually you would be able to see your Wi-Fi driver. So you can also proceed to the button search bar and type for control panel. The moment you do it, wait until a best match would appear, which is a control panel system. Click on open to continue. So you will be able to see a window like this, and if your view or window doesn't look like this, please proceed at the upper right side of the screen. You can see their view by. Click this down arrow key and proceed with large icons. Once you have set it, please locate with the option called Network and Sharing Center, which is in my case being placed at the third row next to indexing options. So please click on it and in that way you would be able to view your basic network information and set up connections. So from here, please navigate at the left pane of that where you can see their change adapter settings. In that way, you would be able to see your Wi-Fi driver here being installed. In my case, I have seen it here, which is my MediaTek wireless Wi-Fi. Okay, so from that on, close the window as well as this. And please proceed again to the device manager. And once you have seen your Wi-Fi driver, make a right click and go with update driver. So it will ask you to choose two options. Please proceed with this first option, which is search automatically for drivers. And once the best drivers for your device are already installed, meaning you have successfully installed your Wi-Fi driver here in your Windows 11 PC or laptop. Okay? So by that, you can now close the window as well as this and you're good to go. So if you think this video helped you a lot, then please don't forget to subscribe. Hit the like button as well as the bell icon to be updated for more tutorials like this. Don't forget also to leave a comment at the comment section below if you have succeeded on installing your Wi-Fi driver here in your Windows PC or laptop. Now, thank you for watching and have a good day.